How to clear cache in CapCut is taking up too much storage or running slower than usual. Clearing the cache can help improve its performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the cache in CapCut in just a few simple steps. First, open the CapCut app and go to the Profile or Me screen. Next, tap the Settings icon in the top corner to open the app settings. Scroll down until you find the Clear Cache option. Tap on it, then confirm your choice if prompted. CapCut will remove temporary cache files that are no longer needed. This helps free up storage space and may improve the app's performance. Your projects, videos, and saved edits will remain unchanged, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once the process is complete, you can close the settings and continue editing as usual. That's all it takes to clear the cache in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy CapCut tutorials.